89.5.
Rocks. Summer Survival Guide tip number 26. Never trust a man with no tan lines. I just threw up in my mouth.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, final hour, third and final hour of this radio show, The Morning Brew Show, 12:20 in the noontime. But before we continue, of course, time once again for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. All right, SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo L. Alino, together with Chief of Staff Attorney Von Rodriguez and DA John Aquino of SBMA, attended the 51st meeting of the Subic Clark Alliance for Development at the Department of Transportation in San Juan City. BCDA Chairman Delfin Lorenzana, DOTR Undersecretary Roberto Lim, CDC Chairman Ed Pamintuan, and SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo L. Alino shared their inputs during the discussion on the plans and programs of the SCAD Council, all right? The Subic Clark Alliance for Development, as we call it, the SCAD, all right? So there you go. This was just a few hours ago. Our dear SBMA Chairman and Administrator, together with Chief of Staff Attorney Bon Rodriguez and DA John Aquino, attended once again the 51st meeting of the Subic Clark Alliance for Development, all right? And the Public Service Advisory, starting April 23, yesterday, the inner field of the Remy Field will be closed until further notice. Just the inner field, ha? Diyan yung may mga nagsasoccer, may nagpi-frisbee throwing, yung grassy middle field. Okay? Pero the track, the jogging track, the running track remains open for walkers and joggers. Okay? The reopening of the inner field will commence once the watering of the field has been completed and its condition has improved. All right? Since sobrang init kasi summer, dry na dry, no? Nag-aalikabok talaga, hindi natin maiwasan, ano? Yung iba, post kagad eh. Ano ba yun? Alam mo yun, sisi dito, sisi doon. Hindi po natin maiwasan talagang mag-aalikabok yan kapag ganitong summer heat, matindi yung summer heat eh. Diba? Tuyong-tuyo kasi. Ayan, parang pulbos. Okay? Pero yeah, the SBMA is gonna do something about it. That is why this advisory, okay? That's the reason for this advisory. Yay! And a couple more invites here for you from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Ayan, dahil speaking of summer, ang init-init. Ayan, our friends at Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant is inviting you to check out their summer flavors of summer halo-halo, special halo-halo at the Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. Check it out. They're at the ground floor of SM City Olongapo Central. And free tote bag is available for every 499 pesos single receipt purchase, and a couple of Coca-Cola products at the food court of SM Central, the 4th level. Free tote bag, okay? SM Appliance is also still having the Summer Instant Papremyo ongoing. So visit SM Appliance Center now. At all SM Supermalls, merong SM Appliance Center, of course. All right. And the free Kabalen Buffet is still ongoing. Bring along with you 4 paying customers. Yours is going to be free. The 5th one, just bring along with you your SMAC card. SM Advantage card. Free upsized drink up until December 31 for CBTL, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf at the SM Store, 2nd level inside the SM Store of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? And lastly, let me give you the lineup of movies. Ayan, yung mga what's gonna be showing. Tama-tama, malapit na mag-weekend, no? Ano bang showing ngayon? For both SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Here's the lineup of movies for you from for SM Central, April 24 only. Ano ba ngayon? Wednesday, no? Oo, magpapalit kasi. April 24 only. Ito, Elevator, Cinema 1. Cinema 2, Godzilla X Kong Extended. Cinema 3, Breathe. Cinema 4, Arthur the King. Cinema 5, Founders Day. Back-to-back with Aespa World Tour in cinemas. Cinema 6, Mobile Suit Mobile Suit, Gundam Seed Freedom. And back-to-back with G. Lu. Okay? That's for Central. And then for SM Cinema Downtown, schedule of movies for you for April 24 today up until tomorrow, April 25. Cinema 1, Elevator. Cinema 2, Godzilla X Kong. And Cinema 3, Breathe. Inhale. Tagal naman ng exhale. Exhale. There you go. So that's what's showing. SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown Cinemas. Okay, here's our next cool song now. Music coming from Soul Asylum. This one's called Runaway Train, 895 Subic Bay Radio.